Hello, this is a high VHF dual channel wireless microphone, or they call it a mixer. So we have two channels. This is the volume of the channel B, and this is the volume of the channel B, and we have here two mics because if there is an event, two are using this mics. So there is some problem here. The first problem is this is not the same, and this mixer comes with its wireless microphone. This will be connected between this from here, this jack, and the sound machine, which is here, okay, and we will operate it and check this. But first of all, we would like to open it to check if it's working, if it's not damaged or not. So there is 6 screws we will use here and here. We will open. After we open it, here are the connections. This is the connection of the volume, the channel 1 or channel B, and this is for channel A, and this from the screen, which show the power is okay, the AF of the channel B and the AF of channel A, and here is the on-off switch. So this is a DC power supply going here, and as we see, these two separate channel for two mics, which are those.